Yo, so today I'm gonna be trying the Superman Blizzard. I thought Superman was a 10 out of 10 movie. I did try the freaking, oh frick, look at that. Oh my gosh. Does it get on the camera well? Oh, you can't really tell because it's freaking, like the sun is so freaking hot today. It's really good. It's sort of like Cookie Monster ice cream. It's got like cookie dough in it. Well, like there's sprinkles in it too, honey. Yeah, it's way too sunny. I saw the Superman movie like 3 freaking times and it's so freaking good. Alright, so I give this Superman Blizzard 5 out of 5 Baby Joey's and 5 out of 5 1A's. 1A!